NCTV45 Newcastle, The Train. Parkstown Restaurant has been serving the greater Newcastle area with quality and experience in family dining and great entertainment. The Parkstown Restaurant, located at 2800 West State Street, Newcastle. Eat in or take out.
These fine businesses provided funding for this program. Gatherings, Town and Country, and On Target. Welcome to NewsWatch, encouraging you to make some family memories. It's the first Christmas, a family outdoor experience, free live nativity, carriage rides, family portraits, kids inflatables, and refreshments. This at the First Assembly of God. You can call for more information, 724-658-5611. They'd love to see you there, and it's a great way to celebrate Christmas this weekend. This is the 14th, 15th, and 16th from 6 to 8. Now, we're going to take this break and hear from these great sponsors who keep community television on the air for you.